Can you believe it only takes a few minutes to create this gorgeous swirl manicure at home? No need for a bunch of shade, no fancy skills, even no extra tools. You can easily get a stunning manicure done with just 2 colors and basic designs. The best practice is to pick up at least one bright pastel color as the base, and it will harmonize with any other color or design. Or you can simply grab a white. The pure white and dark garnet shimmer form a classic and timeless color combo. The purity and simplicity of white neutralize the enthusiasm of red and make the whole match look fresh, elegant, and vibrant as well. Always remember the solid color manicure must have at least 2 layers of liquid and powder, or the beauty and durability will be greatly compromised. You need to have any print or design to reduce the feeling of being a bit monotonous if the entire hands are in solid color. No matter a typical French smile line or a swirl design, both make the nails look more graceful and interesting. Never forget to dip the clear powder as a seal before activating it. It helps to keep shine and protect your design from breaking while you buff and file. Save this video to your album and leave your comment if you have any issues.